15th question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. That is, let's make a diagram and then I'll explain. This is the tower, which is AB is the tower, and the car first is at D point. So the angle of depression means the angle below the line of sight, because it is at the top of the tower. So this angle is 30 degrees, which is angle of depression. It means this angle will also be 30 degrees because this line of sight is parallel with the ground. So these are alternate interior angles. So this angle will also be 30 degrees. Now the car 6 seconds later reached this position as the car is moving with uniform speed. So it reached this point C, and the angle of depression now is 60 degrees. So this angle will also be 60 degrees, and we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. That is, from here to here. This time we have to find. How much time did it take to move from C to B? So as you can see, no height, neither the height of the tower is given nor the distance, any distance is also not given. So what we will do, first we will find BC in terms of AB, and then we will find CD in terms of AB, and then we will see if we can reach a conclusion using a relation between DC and BC. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent or perpendicular by base. It means AB by BC. Tan 60 is square root 3. So square root 3 is equal to AB by BC. It means BC is equal to AB by square root 3. Take this as equation 1. Now let's try to find DC. To find DC, first we will find BD. So in triangle ABD, now tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BD, or can we write BD as BC plus CD? So BC plus CD. Now tan 30 is 1 by square root 3 is equal to AB by BC plus CD. Cross multiply and put the value of BC. Okay, I'll put it in next step. So BC plus CD is equal to square root 3 into AB. Now put the value of BC from equation 1. So when we put it, we get AB by square root 3 plus CD is equal to square root 3 into AB. This, if we find CD from here, then CD is equal to square root 3 into AB minus AB by square root 3. We can take AB as common, so CD is equal to AB into square root 3 minus 1 by square root 3. When we simplify this, we get AB into square root 3 is the LCM, then it will be 3 minus 1. So 2 by square root 3. Or we can write it as 2 into AB by square root 3. So if you see carefully, this is CD, and take this as equation 2. So from this equation, equation 2 and equation 1, we can see that CD is twice of BC. CD is twice of BC. This relation we have got in CD and BC. This distance CD is twice of BC, although it not looks in the figure, but we have got, because the figure is a rough diagram. So CD is twice of BC, and see, in the question they said 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. It means the time taken by the car to cover the distance CD was 6 seconds. So it means the time taken to cover BC will be half of CD. That is, time taken to cover BC will be half of the time taken to cover CD. It means half of 6 seconds. That is 3 seconds. So the car will take 6 seconds to reach the foot of the tower from point C.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.